Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about whether you can invest in RRSPs through Tangerine Bank. The short answer is yes, you can. Tangerine, which refers to RRSPs as RSPs, offers various account types to help you save for retirement. You can open an RSP savings account, which functions like a high-interest savings account but with the tax benefits of a registered plan. They also offer RSP Guaranteed Investment Certificates, or GICs, which provide a guaranteed interest rate for a fixed term. This is a good option if you want a low-risk investment. For those looking to invest in the market, Tangerine provides RSP investment funds. These are mutual funds with different portfolios that range from low to high risk, allowing you to choose one that fits your financial goals. You can also set up automatic contributions to these accounts, which makes it easy to save consistently over time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.